Do you know how much sugar you ate today? The American Heart Association says women should eat no more than 25 grams of added sugar daily and men 36 grams. In reality, each one of us is consuming 70 to 76 grams. That's nearly triple what health experts recommend. And every single gram is destroying the balance of bacteria in your gut. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what sugar does to your microbiome and how to reverse the damage. Watch till the end to learn 3 realistic steps to improve your gut health. Not all microbes are created equal. Simple sugars are a fast fuel source for opportunistic bacteria like E. coli and yeasts like Candida. Meanwhile, sugar-rich diets starve beneficials like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium because your helpful microbes rely on fibers and prebiotics more than free sugars. So what happens next? The effects ripple beyond digestion. High sugar reshapes the gut environment and weakens the intestinal barrier. When it loosens, particles and bacterial products seep into the bloodstream, triggering immune responses. The gut and brain constantly talk. Harmful metabolites and inflammation can tilt neurotransmitters, leading to brain fog, irritability, and mood swings. A large part of immune activity is coordinated in the gut. When balance shifts harmful, defenses drop, infections and allergies rise. Leaked components and imbalances drive chronic, low-grade inflammation. That inflammation links to metabolic issues, pain, and further gut damage. You might feel it as fatigue, digestive issues, brain fog, and more sick days. The good news, you can turn this around. First, spot where sugar hides. Flavored yogurt, bottled salad dressings, healthy granola bars and cereals, smoothies and fruit juices. Check labels for added sugar, syrups, and words ending in O's, plus syrup, nectar, or concentrate. Sugar isn't just in candy. Many everyday foods hide added sugars. Flavored yogurt can rival a donut. Dressings, ketchup, barbecue sauce, and pasta sauces often pack sugar. Granola bars and cereals marketed as healthy can be sugar bombs. Smoothies and juices are often metabolically closer to soda. Scan the nutrition label for added sugars and the ingredients list for sugars by many names. Aim for the least added sugar you can find. You don't need to go sugar-free forever. Small, targeted steps rebuild balance. This week, remove just one high-sugar item and swap soda for sparkling water. Or replace a sugary snack with a fiber-rich option. Add 1 fermented food daily. Sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, yogurt with live cultures, or miso. You can even convert your apples into a probiotic food. Watch our fermented apples video next. Feed good bacteria with prebiotics, garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and oats. Add resistant starch, cooked and cooled potatoes or rice. These micro changes reduce sugar for harmful microbes and feed your beneficial strains. Over time, they help restore the gut barrier and calm inflammation. Expect steadier energy, clearer thinking, and stronger immunity. Start with one swap today. Subscribe for more gut health guides.